Freelancer Academy. Hello friend, here I am Mr. Vijay here and you are watching Global Freelancer Academy channel. Today I will discuss how I rank YouTube videos in 24 hours using AI tools. Have you ever uploaded a YouTube video and then waited like it's a pizza delivery from Mars and still no views? Well, what if I told you I can rank my videos on YouTube in just 24 hours using AI tools? Sound like a scam, right? But don't worry, no fake gurus here. In this video, I will show you step by step exactly how I do it with real tools, real strategy, and yes, some real humor to you don't fall asleep. Let's go. In this video, I will show you 6 sections. Section 1, the big problem in ranking video. Number 2, AI for keyword research. Number 3, AI script and content creation. Number 4, AI thumbnails and title. That means all YouTube elements. In section 5, I will show you AI for optimization. That means I will optimize all video elements with AI. Okay. Section 6, the human side, human task, what I will apply over here. Now let's discuss. Section 1, the big problem. Most people think ranking on YouTube takes months. It is wrong. It can happen overnight if you know how to play the algorithm's favorite game. YouTube isn't just a video platform. Mind it, it is a search engine, just like Google. And here is the secret. YouTube loves new videos. When you upload something, it gives your video a short honeymoon phase, like dating. YouTube tests if people like you. If they do, boom, you rank fast. If not, well, YouTube ghosts you. Sad, but this is reality. And it is true. Section 2, AI for keyword research. That means I will use AI for keyword research before making the video. Don't create videos for what you want to rank. Rather, create videos for what people are just already searching now. This is where AI tools save your life. I use ChatGPT and VidIQ. Sometimes I use TubeBuddy. I simply ask ChatGPT or that types of AI, give me low competition and high search volume keywords in my niche. SEO. As because I am an SEO specialist, so I write like this. You can choose as your niche. AI does the heavy lifting. Imagine a robot librarian giving you the exact book everyone wants but nobody has borrowed yet. That's gold. That means what I am doing here, I am researching the keywords with ChatGPT and I am getting it. I am writing, I am finding low competition keywords and high volume keywords. Yes, I got the result. Section 3, AI script and content creation. Content that ranks isn't just SEO, it is storytelling plus emotion. AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can generate outlines, jokes, and even catchy onliners. But don't sound like a robot. Add your personality, provide human tasks. Example, if I write introduce the video excitement, if AI, try to mind it, try to listen. If AI writes introduce the video with excitement, I turn that into welcome to the only YouTube tutorials where your views grow faster than your ex TikTok followers. AI build the skeleton, but you add the soul. That means I add the soul. AI give me the skeleton. Section 4, AI thumbnails and titles. Click-through rate is more powerful than keywords. You can rank without backlinks, without ads, but not without clicks. If people do not clicks, then how you will advance? AI makes that this easy. For thumbnails, how do I get thumbnails? For thumbnails, I use Canva AI or MidJourney to design eye-catching graphics. That means I try to find the difference between boring titles versus catchy AI titles with dramatic sound effect. For titles, I ask AI, write 10 emotional curiosity driven YouTube titles under 60 characters. Example, instead of rank YouTube videos first, AI suggests how I rank a video in 24 hours, secret AI tools. Sometime I use in 2025 and anytime. Which one would you click? Exactly, you will find the time and year related titles. Section 5, AI for optimization. That means previously I told I optimize all YouTube elements with AI. The first 24 hours decide your future. I optimize everything tags, description, and caption with AI. I paste my script into ChatGPT and ask, write an SEO optimized YouTube description plus tags. And ChatGPT or that AI give me in 30 seconds only. I also upload subtitles. Do you know why I do this? Because YouTube loves accessibility. Plus, people in the offices who can't turn the volume up still will watch. Basically, subtitles equals to free watch time. So you do it. Section 6, the human side. If you provide human touch, YouTube loves it and also people will love it. They will get emotion. AI won't replace you. It will replace lazy YouTubers. You still need your face, voice, and energy. AI can't give your passion. If you are funny, use it. If you are emotional, share it. I once said in my video, I want my subscriber to succeed more than I want Wi Fi on an airplane. That's real, and people feel it. So, to rank your YouTube videos in 24 hours, use AI for keyword research, use AI for script plus thumbnails plus titles, optimize with AI generated descriptions, tags, and subtitles, and finally, add your human spark. Mind it, you are not just uploading videos anymore, you are playing chess with the algorithm and winning. If this helped, please hit like because that tells YouTube I am not just talking to my cat here. Subscribe for more AI plus SEO hacks and comment below which AI tool do you want me to break down next. See you in the next one. Don't fight the algorithm. Date it. Treat it well and it will love your videos and it will back you. Thank you.